Once you open up your Gmail window, you'll notice these 9 little squares in the upper right-hand corner, and you'll go ahead and click on those. You'll notice the Google Drive icon. You can click and hold on it and move it around to a more convenient location if you like. Once you click on it, you'll open your Google Drive window, and you can click on Drive, and then you can click on New and open up any of the other products that Google has to offer, like Google Docs, Google Sheets, etc. From here, you can type on your document, and you can go ahead and do whatever you like to your text. All the familiar bars and icons should come up, but if you'd like to see more details on that, please let me know in the comments. From here, you can name your document by clicking in the upper left-hand corner where it says Untitled Document, and that's all there is to it.